Hello! Welcome back to the channel. This is Marky from PH Books and More. Andito ulit ako para maghatid ng isang bookish video. Tagalog. Okay. So, this is now part 10 of our bookshelf tour. Sana tama ako sa pagbibilang kung part 10 na nga. Anyway, lagay ko na lang sa title. Kung mali ako, sorry. So today, tutuloy natin yung tour sa collection ko ng Filipino books. So eto ngayon, most of these are, sabihin na natin modern books. Mga na-release lang 2010s, 2020s, ganun. May iba dito na masasabi nating old books or classic books na nilagay ko na lang dito kasi wala na akong ibang mapaglagyan. So parang since may space, lagay ko na doon. Okay. And also, ilan sa mga paborito kong books ay nandito sa box set na to. So, or nasa box or plastic box na to. So, happy ako na I get to talk to them and share them to you guys as well. Kaya naman, huwag nating patagalin, simulan na natin ang part 10 ng aking bookshelf tour. So, doon muna tayo sa mga standalones or mga series na hindi natin masasabing mga libro or mga nobela. Yun na lang siguro. That's the better term. Hindi mga nobela tong mga to. More on anthology and collection of funny lists. Kung may ganun man. Okay. So, start tayo dito. We have Amazing Facts and Figures, Every Pinoy Must Know. This is from the Filipino website. Kilala tong website na to back in the 2010s. Wala na siyang ngayon. I don't think it's active anymore. Pero regular visitor ako ng website kasi nakakatuwa yung mga sinishare nilang facts about our history, about pop culture. So, masaya siyang basahin. Nakakatuwa siya. And then this one, itong copy na to ay regalo sa akin ng sister ko. So, sobrang importante itong copy na to for me. Yan. So again, Amazing Facts and Figures, Every Pinoy Must Know. The next one, series naman ito. Ito yung sinasabi kong list, top 10 list. If you're an avid radio listener, lalo na ng RX 93.1, Monster Radio yata yung name, you're familiar, you're going to be familiar with this list. So I have the best of Chico and Delamar's The Morning Rush top 10. Ayan. So this is book 1. And then this is book 2. The best of Chico, Delamar, and Gino's The Morning Rush top 10. Top 10. Sana kaya kong sabihin yung top. And then last one, The Best of Morning Rush top 10, volume 3. Again, with Chico, Delamar, and Gino. Out of the 3, I think itong 1 yung paborito ko. The other 2, medyo so-so. Nakakatawa pa rin naman yung iba, pero ito yung mas na-enjoy ko out of the 3. Okay. And then, I also have this collection of, I think essays. Mga essays to kung hindi ako nagkakamali. These are columns from the Philippine Daily Enquirer ng mga young writers or young essayists, kung may ganun mang term. Okay. So we have Youngblood. So I have The Best of Youngblood. I think this is the first one. Okay. And then you have Youngblood 2.0. And then you also have Youngblood 3. Alam ko merong Youngblood 4 hanggang 7. Pero yung 5 and 6, out of print siya. And then yung 4 and 7 naman, mabibili mo lang sa Enquirer mismo. Kasi wala siya sa Shopee, pero I think nasa Lazada siya. It's under the Philippine Daily Enquirer. Hindi ko pa alam kung bibilin ko yun kasi wala kang 5 and 6. Parang hindi matanggap ng collector in me. Okay. So again, that's Youngblood. Okay, let's continue. I have these other standalones. We have Gambek at Mga Kwentong Waratpad ni Mark Angeles. Here's ang autobiografiya ng Ibang Lady Gaga by Jack Alvarez. And we have Isang One, Dalawang Zero ni Romeo Palustre Peña. These are all from, let me check. Oh, they're all from Visprint. Ayan. Okay, so let's continue. Ito naman ay series, kung di ako nagkakamali. Hindi ko maalala yung name ng series eh. May saga yun, Rosales Saga, if I'm not wrong. So these are all from F. Shonil Jose. So we have Mass, The Pretenders, My Brother, My Executioner, Tree, and last one, Poon. I bought these from Solidaridad in Ermita, and I'm happy na may nag-purchase ng business. Hopefully, they continue to sell Filipino books pa din. Sana hindi baguhin yung concept ng store. So, there, Epsionel Jose. Okay, let's move on. We have books from amazing female authors. Simulan na natin dito sa isa sa mga popular books from 2024 na up until now, I think, pinag-uusapan pa rin ng maraming readers. So we have Some People Need Killing ni Patricia Evangelista. This one is also a signed copy. I attended a book discussion organized by PRPB, Pinoy Reads Pinoy Books. So, there. It's a signed copy. Yeah. I really love how she speaks. Napaka-eloquent ni Patricia Evangelista. She knows what she's saying. She's direct to the point. She doesn't give an F. So, that's why I like her. So, I want to read this soon. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan yung soon. But I will. So, Some People Need Killing. Next one, I read this, or these, dahil dalawa to, a few months ago. These are advice columns na sinasagot ni author, basically. I had fun reading this. Favorite ko yung relationship, yung relasyon versus love. Kasi yung isa tungkol sa love yung isa tungkol sa relationship. So I prefer the one for relationship. So we have Nuno sa Puso ni Bebang C. Ayan, this is the one for love. And then you have Nuno sa Puso, Relasyon. There. I like this more than the other one. Both are okay, pero I prefer the one about relationship. Yes. Okay, so let's continue. These two books, nabasa ko rin to this year, and I have to say, they were both good. Mas nagustuhan ko yung short stories collection. Definitely one of the best reads I had this year. Oops, sorry. So we have F.H. Batacan's Smaller and Smaller Circles. There. May, what do you call this? May movie adaptation to on Netflix, so you can check it out. Alam ko nasa YouTube din. Yes, it's a good one. Okay, and then the other one from F.H. Batacan as well is Accidents Happen. Stories. Yeah, I love this one, especially yung last story. That was my favorite. If you like thrillers, mysteries, and crime stories, this is for you. Basahin nyo to. Medyo pricey lang kasi I think so far wala pang paperback version nito or softbound. So hardback pa lang yung meron. But yeah, when you have the chance, please read it. It's a good one. Really, really good one. Okay, let's continue. We have some books from authors that I really enjoyed. So first, let's start with Sir Chuck Berry Pascual ulit. We have Daddy. Sobrang iksi lang nito. Ayan. And I also have a reaction video for this one, so please check it out. And we have Oral History by Siege Malvar. Ayan. May iba pa akong box ni Sir Siege, pero we'll get to that box soon. There. Okay, the next one is from another author that I really, really enjoy reading and sobrang love ko din. So we have Eric Guzman Pingol, and this is Agaw Anino. This is book 1. And you have Agaw Anino book 2. Hindi ko pa nababasa tong 2, pero yung 1, sobrang na-enjoy ko yun. There. Okay. Oh, isa pang book ni Sir Eric. Actually, this is more of a, sabihin natin, graphic novel. So we have here, Kung May Sining sa Pagkabulok, Hinagpis at Iba Pang Kwento. Again, by Eric Guzman Pingol. Hindi ko pa nababasa to, pero hopefully soon, mabasa ko na din. Parang lahat na lang soon. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Next, we have this one. I haven't read this, pero gusto ko siyang basahin bago pa man bumalik ng Pilipinas yung author. Sabi kasi ng publisher, baka pumunta so sana matuloy. So we have Hoy Pong ni Maki Cruz. There. Yes, there we go. Okay, now, the last 2 sets that I'm going to show are probably one of my favorites. Sabihin na natin, one of my favorite books, some of my favorite authors. Hindi ko alam, nagustuhan ko lang yung writing style nila parehas. Very contrasting yung writing style nila, but I did enjoy both of them. So, simulan na natin dito sa unang-una. I'm sure kilala nyo na to. We have the author of the Dreamland Trilogy. You have Ronaldo S. Vivo Jr. So this is Ang Kapangyarihang Higit sa Ating Lahat. So that's the first in the Dreamland Trilogy. Then you have Ang Bangin sa Ilalim ng Ating Mga Paa. And the final book in the trilogy, Ang Suklam sa Ating Naaagnas na Balat. Yes. These are some of my favorite reads this year. Gumawa din ako ng reaction video. So, if you have the time, please check them. Napaka-popular nito, lalo na sa Reddit. So, kung tambay kayo ng Reddit, ang dami niyong mababasang suggestions. And they're always talking about these books. So, I think from there, ma-realize mo na okay, dapat basahin ko rin siya. Okay. And then, this is a new series. So we have Narco Cristo, 1896. There. Again, this is by Ronaldo S. Vivo Jr. And then, ito naman ay from Dreamland. It's a graphic novel, pero part 1 pa lang yung nire-release. So we have Salot. This is by Ronaldo S. Vivo Jr., Ronel S. Vivo Jr., Ronel S. Vivo rather, Erwin Dayrit, and illustrated by Danel Arquero. There. Okay. Next one. This is the English translation of Ang Kapangyarihang Higit sa Ating Lahat. So this one. So meron siyang English translation by Penguin. So we have The Power Above Us All. It was translated by Carl R. de Mesa. There. Okay. Oops. Nalaglag sila. I'll just put them back. Okay. 2 more books from Sir Nal. So this one is a collection of his short stories. Nabasa ko na rin to. May reaction video. Kung may oras kayo, please check it. So we have Mga Kalansay sa Hardin ng Panginoon. This is the first version. Ito yung original cover niya. And then, it was re-released by another publisher kung di ako nagkakamali, Balangay ang nag-release. Let me just double check. Yes, Balangay Books. So this is the re-release, mga kalansay sa Hardin ng Panginoon. May mga pictures dito na kinunan ni Bebang C. So, yung isang nabanggit kong author. So, please check this out. Maganda to, magandang collection. Medyo pricey itong re-release, pero worth the money. Yes, definitely. So, yan. Okay. So, that's it for my Ronaldo S. Vivo collection. Meron pang isa. I actually made I made a separate video of these authors' books a few months ago. So, kung hindi nyo pa nakita yon, please check it out. Mabilis lang to. Mabilis ko lang papakita lahat yung books kasi nga, I've talked about them during that particular video. So, we have the one and the only Bob Ong. So, I have Aba, Nakakabasa na pala ako. We have Bakit Baliktad Magbasa ng Libro ang Mga Pilipino. There. We also have ang paboritong libro ni Judas. And then, Alamat ng Gubat. Stainless Longganisa. Ready na kami sa 20th anniversary ng Stainless Longganisa. We have MacArthur. Here. Next is Kapitan Sino. And then, Mga Kaibigan ni Mama Susan. Lumayo Ka Nga Sa Akin. C. This is my favorite Bob Ong book, C. Okay. Then you have 56. Ito naman, tumulong si Bob Ong sa translation, kasama ang iba pang authors na mababanggit ko rin in my other bookshelf tour videos. Nandito rin si Bebang C, Ma'am Beverly C. Kasama siya sa translate ng mga stories. So we have Ang Manggagaway. There. So you have Eros Atalia, Joselito de los Reyes, Bob Ong, and Beverly C. Sila yung nag-translate. Okay. The next ones I have are hardcovers ng ilan sa mga books ni Bob Ong. So we have C. Ito yung hardcover niya. And then I also have Aba, Nakakabasa na pala ako. This is the 12th anniversary edition. And again, hard copy siya. Or hardback copy. And then, the English translation for Aba, The Boy with the Snake in His School Bag. Nakakatawa tong libro na to. Ang tagal kong hinanap. Kung saan-saang National Bookstore ako nagpunta. Ang ending, meron naman pala sa National Bookstore na malapit sa akin. So, stress, but still, nakuha ko. So, there. And then ito, hindi ito libro, pero it's a Bob Ong merch. Taray merch! So, you have Aba, nag-review ka na ba? It's a card game, basically. So, kailangan mo lang bumunot from cards. Ayan, yan yung mga cards. I'll show you isa sa mga questions. Meron ditong nakakatawang question eh. Ayan. Recite Panatang Makabayan. Nako, dito pa lang feeling ko talo na ako sa game. Hindi ko na matandaan. Ayan. So again, it's a card game by Bob Ong na sana malaro ko with friends. Hopefully. Okay. So, balik ko na sila sa lalagyan. Okay. So, that's actually all my books inside this box. Again, nandito yung ilan sa mga paborito kong libro. So, I'm happy that I get to share them to you. Sana mabasa nyo rin yung mga librong nandito. Again, marami na ako nagawang reaction videos sa mga librong nasa box na to. Please do check them when you have the time. So, I'll see you again sa susunod na video. Meron pa tayong mga 6 or 7 pang video. So, hang in there. Sa inyo ko talaga sinabi. So, this is Marky again from PH Books and More. I will see you again soon. Have a nice day. Bye!